Hello everybody, how's it going today? Hope you're plugging along here with electric circuits. Today's video is going to be really short. It's just I want to explain today's pretty much a carbon copy of Monday, except the focus is parallel circuits instead of series circuits, where you're going to start out by watching this video, what you're doing right now. Then you're going to read two sections in the book dealing with parallel circuits and some questions related to that at the back of the chapter. Then you have a concept builder to look at, or no, then to copy down the notes, which is basically a summary of the two sections you just read. There's 3 pages of the notes. You can refer to Monday's lecture PDF lecture notes. Just copy pages 4, 5, and 6 down. Get those down. I will be following up tomorrow with a video to explain those 3 pages of notes. So just get them down and then have them ready for tomorrow's class. There's a concept builder. Hopefully you're liking the concept builder. They can be pretty challenging, so that's good for you. Just work through that. And then the second page of the worksheet, 35-1, the second page is dealing with parallel circuits, so that's the page 2 is the one you're going to work on today. Okay? So pretty easy day, I think. Couple of reminders. One, discussion board. If you have any questions, even if someone else can answer the question, that you just have just a quick logistical question or something, use it. I want to make sure that you feel connected to the class, being we're not in person, but I'm not finding the best avenue for that since nobody's really using the discussion board or the video conferencing, so I'm not sure what else to do. So if you find that helpful, please use it. Secondly, the electric bill assignment, which was originally scheduled to be due this Friday, I'm moving that date to Tuesday, May 5th. So you have this Friday and next Monday off, so that'll be due Tuesday, May 5th. Refer to Wednesday's videos if you need to. Just a summary though quick. You have 25 items for 25 points. You have a paragraph explaining, summarizing a discussion that you have with the person paying the bill as to what stood out, what changes could you make, etc. that would maybe have a little small impact on your bill. And then they sign that. The paragraph is worth 3 points, and the signature is worth 2 points. So that's a 30-point assignment, and it will be going in the test category. Okay. Last announcement. I'm trying something. It's in tomorrow's assignment. I'm feeling bad, but probably not as bad as you seniors that are missing a lot of stuff. But one of the things that seniors look forward to on May 1st is to wear their college choice, their Kansas University t-shirt or St. Thomas University t-shirt or U of M sweatshirt or whatever it happened to be, just to declare with pride where you're going to be going to school next year, or maybe you're going into the Army and you wear an Army recruiting shirt, or something to that nature, or maybe you're going to work and you're going to go into a trade school or something like that. Just an opportunity for you to declare what you're going to do. Take a picture. There'll be a link on tomorrow's assignment. Take a picture of you wearing that. To post your name and what your plans are. If it's, I'm going to HTC, or I'm going to Normandale, or I'm going to UCLA, or whatever, which is what Normandale is, really, UCLA University closest to Lyndale Avenue. Okay, in case you haven't heard that one. But anyways, I thought that'd be kind of fun for us to do. Hopefully I can make it, coordinate it so that all 3 of my classes can be visible at once, rather than just first hour to this first hour and so on. So look forward to that. And I think that's about all for now. I'll maybe add a little more tomorrow, but have fun today. And sounds like it's going to get sunny by afternoon, so maybe you can get your schoolwork done and get outside and exercise and enjoy the sun. All right. Take care, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow morning.